Aloha and welcome to Dino Mama's kitchen. The Xizor salad isn't really about salad. Good thing because I forgot the pea sprouts. It's really all about the cheese crisps and the Chadian dressing. If you're adding bacon, start by cooking that first. Then make your cheese crisps. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Using half a cup of grated parmesan cheese, make little piles of cheese, about 1 tablespoon each. As you can see, I'm not exactly measuring, and it's really not necessary with these. In fact, you may want to make them even larger, or just make more of them. Then, flatten your cheese piles slightly, leaving a little bit of room in between. Sprinkle each cheese pile with a little bit of black pepper. Then bake for 5 to 10 minutes until golden and crisp. Remove from the oven and let your cheese crisps cool. Did you know that South America is home to the Lagosooches, a group of archosaurs that are very closely related to dinosaurs and likely had a common ancestor in the area? But Lagosooches are not dinosaurs. To make the salad, while the crisps are baking, toss the lettuce, sprouts, or any other vegetables you like, and crumbled bacon bits with the Chadian dressing in a large bowl until evenly coated. And ta-da! Salad is ready. Transfer to serving bowls and top with the cheese crisps. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy! And remember, only nice people get sweets.